my car. Crashed the drone, my first strike, but let's see if we can find it. Looks like I'm walking right through it. Oh, no way, dude. This thing is sick. All right, according to this, it's right here. Ah, it's right there, dude. Would you look at that? Took it like a champ. DJI Mini 2. Ooh, it's warm. Oh, the battery came undone. Does it fly? Oh, my remote. Idiot, my remote's in the car. Ah, thank God. Best hiking shoes. We found it. I love the DJI app. Took me right to the freaking car. I'll take off from the roof. It might need this, huh? I don't know, it might need recalibrated or something. It's also really windy out. Look, dude, it's acting like a piece of shit. Alright guys, I wasn't crazy. Look, I should have checked this before I tried to fly. I can't believe it was still flying, but out of all that just happened, and I already have 2 other sets of props, so DJI is awesome, dude. Homie, you ain't got a chance. Honestly, shout out to everyone in Indianapolis right now. You guys have some really nice cars right now, dude. I'm seeing GTSs, Lambos, R8s, and a lot of out-of-state license plates right now. But I'm just saying, lately, dude, they've been out. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Twin Turbo. This is Nick. It's ECU time. What I did is I went ahead and put the JB4 in map 0. Okay, that disables the JB4. With Bluetooth, everything's still connected, so I should be able to read boost and record some logs. More to come on that though. I don't want to confuse anybody because we want a baseline, so we're just gonna start with the Lozic ECU. We got 2 of them. I'll show you the 2 tunes. We'll go over them. I'm going to install the more conservative one at first, and then we'll work our way up. They're both 1.5 bar, which is around 22 PSI in sport mode. But before we start, I took the 2 key fobs and I sat them in the kitchen. So they're like 25 feet away from here. And then what we're gonna do, we wait 10 minutes, car should be asleep. We're gonna go ahead and disconnect the negative battery terminal. I also went ahead and disconnected the lit kit because that thing gives me problems every time I disconnect the negative battery. I don't know what's going on. I think it's an app issue. Without further ado, in case you were wondering, the negative battery terminal is right here. 12mm socket. Let's get that off there. All right, dude. Look what we got here, guys. Christmas time. This is a joint effort between Lozic and Brody. Thank you so much for starting all this by sending me the ECU Tune. Story behind that on my other videos. Dude, thank you, Lozic. He sent me 2 tunes. Check this out. This is the more aggressive one. So I think we're gonna work our way up here. If you're still watching at this point, please hit the subscribe button so I can keep bringing you content like this. This is the first one, 1.5 bar. Boost ready is on at 3,000 RPM. I'll go over all those features and stuff like that. This is just an install video. This one has BURBLES. So as you guys know, with the MBRP, the stock Stinger, when you're going down a hill and you kind of tap the gas a little bit, you get those little burbles. Well, this is going to magnify that a lot. And with the MBRP, I think it's going to sound fire. Sport mode is where this thing is going to be getting a little crazy. It's going to be sick. So this is going to be like my tune that I leave in here daily. But this other tune, very similar tune, but as you see, this one has the boost ready on at all the time. And the main difference is this doesn't have burbles, it has pops. It's gonna have some pops and bangs. This is gonna be fun. This will be a fun little tune here. Straight from South Korea, we got some stickers, man. This is so cool, dude. Lozic.co.kr. Like straight from Korea, dude. The car was manufactured in South Korea, now it's been tuned. Both ECU and TCU in South Korea. That's pretty sick. Okay, so boost ready on at 3,000 RPM. That's the first tune we're gonna go with. So guys, we're still doing some remodeling. So I told you guys, I showed you the bathroom. It looks really good. But now we're doing like we're doing the kitchen a little more, the entryway, and all the trim around all the doors in the entire house. So it's a work in progress, man, but it's looking much better. It's always good to continue to improve in all areas of life, not just cars. So look guys, this ECU tune that you guys saw me install right here, easiest thing ever, right? 4 bolts, boom, 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 pull it out. The ECU is a little, I'd say a little more time consuming. You just gotta be careful. So what I did is I went ahead and went over to the auto parts store and picked myself up a little magnet. It's like $2. I'll link this in the description. It's just as easy to remove, super, super simple. So as you guys see, I got these NGI vanity covers that cover the JB4 and just look good. I went ahead and removed this one over here. So now we're ready to get started. The battery is disconnected, ECU is asleep. It's gonna be safe for us to go ahead and pop the tabs off here. So we're gonna push down right here. Same thing right here. There's a push tab. You'll hear it click. Just pull it up. Okay, now they should just pop right off. First time. There we go, guys. And again, the JB4 is in map 0, the battery. There's no power going here. We're not gonna mess anything up. So that's what we're working with, guys. Let me see something here. That bolt right there, we're gonna remove that bolt. Then we gotta remove this bolt and then this easy one right here. So there's 3 bolts. Because what's going on here is this ECU is held onto a bracket and there's 4 bolts holding on that bracket. But we're not gonna attempt to remove these bolts, okay? We just wanna remove the whole thing out. But let's go ahead and remove this bolt. Yep, 10 mil. Now, you probably, I don't know if you need the magnet, but if you're like me, you do need it because I break shit. Okay guys, again, we're right down here. There it is, see that guys? Okay, you might not even need a swivel socket on this one, so. Got it. Yeah, this definitely came in handy, the magnet. This one though guys, honestly, I just tested it to confirm. You do not need a swivel socket for this one right here. It actually is perfect, just straight down. It's almost like it was meant to be that cutout right there, so yeah.
What about that one?
Yeah, okay, let's see. Just straight down, dude. You do not need swivels. Ooh, just pop the freaking chair. ECU should slide right out and be on this bracket here. Boom. There's our computer, dude. What we're gonna do now is transfer the OEM ECU to our Lozic tuned ECU. Check this out, Adam. This is pretty sick. I actually admire Lozic for doing this. It's like some sort of laser printing almost. Now, of course, it's from South Korea, so it has the Hyundai Mobis sticker with the hologram of Kia and Hyundai on there, just like the E-Badge does that I showed you guys for the giveaway. And then they brand the back, dude. Isn't that sick? It's like laser. So make sure you leave this on when you go to the dealer. Next, let's go ahead and swap out our brackets.
Where's your workbench?
My workbench is in my office, and maybe I should invest. Well, we are going to redo this garage, so we're going to put all new drywall up and some really sick lights. I'm going to get those hexagon looking lights, those LED ones. Get me some checkered flags and a NASCAR sign. This is about to be insane, bro. Boost ready.
So this is the more conservative?
I mean, neither one are really conservative. It's just this one, this boost ready function, kicks on after 3,000, like 3,000 on up, it kicks in. The other one, it's on all the time, and the other only difference is it's a pop tune. So when I let off the gas at higher RPMs, it's gonna be like pop, 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 pop. Power mode C, so.
Now, does that hurt your cabs?
It can if it's not done right. If it's done very aggressively, it's hard on both the turbos, the cats, and the valves. Like, you know, BMW, M cars, and like Porsches and high-end supercars, they're tuned more like this with the BURBLES. This setup that we have right now, with everything I've done, I mean, we're maxed out, dude. Other than this, I mean, there's water meth injection, charge pipe injection, adding a 7th fuel injector, but without having to do any more bolt-ons, we're pretty much maxed out, man. Honestly, dude, if anyone's coming across this channel and is getting a Kia Stinger, probably what I would do, dude, just get a ECU tune. Like, you can have a stock Stinger and get an 890 bucks shipped to you from Lozic, freaking ECU tune, and you're gonna be doing, I mean, you're gonna probably be 4.1, flat, 4.2, easy, with no JB4, no nothing. I mean, it's the TCU is what made a massive difference, man. You noticed a big difference, didn't you, when we went on a drive?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Freaking 90 degrees and humid out, dude. It's like freaking so extreme here in the Midwest. I run hot, dude. I start sweating easy. Pretty easy install. Not bad.
Do you live your life a quarter mile at a time?
That's well free. Yeah, right, dude. He's not running 10s. Dude, there's a Stinger running a 10.95 right now on a stock front mount intercooler. And guess what? It's ECU Tune, baby. Let's do this. Let's like kind of tack this thing in place by putting this one on first, which I believe this is the first bolt we removed. I'm glad it looks like it's been tampered with in this area now. You can see the paint missing from the bolt. Oh my God. Damn, dude. You know what? I wonder if someone should put a piece of cloth over this so it doesn't take the paint off.
Might just have to touch it up.
Better not put that in the video. That'll help sell them.
Might be able to even put a paper towel.
Okay guys, so look, magnet, we're gonna set it right here, and then this should let us give it a hand tightening. Oh my gosh, I think I got it. Man, okay. It's resting on there. And then this one will probably be a little easier, I feel like. Cause like this right here is like cut out for it, dude. Like right here. Threads for days. So that's tight. Let me make sure this one's tight. Take your time around these bolts, guys. You don't want to be scratching the area up. Just kind of fill out. Unless you're mean, you just don't care. We are in, baby. That sounds like a good feeling, bro. I'm gonna have BURBLES, 1.5 bar. And honestly, I think the boost spiking with the JB4 and the TCU isn't the best case scenario. I mean, it works. You guys saw my video. It's crazy. I still recommend the JB4 to this day. I'm leaving it on with Max 6 and turn the bits down and also have a boost safety just in case, but I'll still be able to read the boost and the timing and the AFR. And I can see my transmission temperature. When you have an ECU tuned paired with the TCU tune, it's gonna be more optimal, especially when the same tuner, Lozic, did it. Let's go ahead and put this back on, guys. Moment of truth. This is insane. I can't believe we just did this. So the TCU took about 5 minutes to install. I think this one took about 12. Okay, we're good. So now what we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna put the negative battery terminal back on, complete the circuit. We'll have power first start. Let's fire it up. Not gonna put the vanity cover on yet, just to make sure.
Don't go chasing waterfalls.
I'm a peacock, I wanna fly. Here we go, guys, moment of truth. Took it a second. We got E30 in here too, by the way. 4 gallons E85, baby. Smooth idle. Ooh, you hear that? You hear the gurgles? I feel like a freaking kid on Christmas right now, bro. It's like that feeling when I first got the Stinger, which really hasn't gone away, dude. Like, this car is sick. Like right now, I totally feel like that again. All right, guys, just pulled out of the neighborhood. I haven't seen any boost yet, but the JB4 app is working. Okay, so the AFR is showing. This is awesome because I can see, at least I can see my IATs and the trans and the AFR and water temp and all that stuff. Remember, map 0, but moment of truth here. I really hope the boost reads. If it does, I'll be super happy. I think it would. All right. Okay, this is comfort mode. Oh my God, I can't even imagine what sport mode's gonna be like. I was barely touching it. It feels like the TCU, I mean, I really can't. I'm just excited right now. One thing, the ISG start-stop feature is off. I can't stand that feature, dude. The auto start-stop is like so ridiculous, man. So far, I got a lot of confidence instilled in Lozic. Everything feels normal, dude. It feels like just a normal car right now. Like nothing is idling weird. It's not shifting weird. We got no lights on the dash. My average fuel is reading. Like nothing has, it feels just like the factory. Like, and we're in comfort mode, but we're gonna get into it. Don't worry, we're going to exhaust notes because honestly, I'm so excited about the BURBLE tune. I mean, it just sounds like an M car. Like, it sounds so clean. It's not too crazy. The pop tune, that's just gonna be for you guys, because I know some of you guys are gonna like that, which is cool. I mean, I'm not against them, but longevity, kind of keep that in mind with your cats, your turbos, and your valves. Look into it, make sure you know what it is before you know, decide to get a tune like that. If the tune is done correctly, then it's okay. It's still going to put more wear and tear on the turbo, the catalytic converters, and the valves and stuff like that. But if it's not like super aggressive, I wouldn't trip about it, man, honestly. A lot of those tunes can be very, very dialed in to where the pops and the bangs will be at a very high RPM. So when you're just driving normal like this, it won't make any difference. I'll tell you right now, in comfort mode, dude, the way the TCU is working with this ECU, just normal takeoff, it feels a lot more clean. It's like perfect, dude. And we haven't even gone over 3,000 RPM, dude. That's when that boost ready feature kicks in. This thing's gonna be crazy. We're gonna go drive around for a little bit, guys. I just wanna fill this tune out. We need to go get us something to eat. Shake Shack, dude.
Sure.
You've never had it, bro. Yeah, I mean, it's so fire. Like, you're gonna be hooked. Hey, man. All right, let's do it. Comfort feels great for daily. Sport's just an animal, dude. Dude, did you feel first gear spinning? My traction light was like, it's never done that before. Dead ass dry pavement, bro. All right, man, so I'm wrapping this day up. Got a lot of stuff recorded. I crashed a drone. I'm super happy right now with the Lozic tune. And the pairing with the TCU, I couldn't ask for any better combination. Honestly, the boost ready at 3K is perfect. And one of my favorite things is the burbles in the tune. This car is so fun to drive right now. I can't stop driving in manual mode in like third gear, giving it gas and letting off, because dude, it's like, but it's very deep. It's not popping like a gunshot or nothing like that. It's just deep, loud gurgles. Stock gurgles on steroids. Like, it's perfect. I love it. I can't wait to bring you guys content, but please be patient. I have a full-time job. I have a family. I have a lot of stuff going on. So as soon as I can make this content, it'll be coming out. We have all summer, dynos, all kinds of content coming. So hang in there, man. And I appreciate all the support. Catch you later. Peace.